In this video, I will be discussing how the admins can sort the members by different criteria using our membership management solution. This feature is made for admins or membership coordinator or data admin. Whether you are running a masjid, a non-profit, or any organization with members. So, why is this helpful? Because as your member list grows, it gets harder to find the right people quickly. With smart sorting, you can easily view and manage members, whether it's for reporting, follow ups, or planning events. You can sort using the membership type, membership status, with the membership start date, membership year, payment method, age, and if the members are lifetime or not. As you can see, there are lots of membership types to choose from, whether it's free or paid. You can also see the active and the expired members. You can check for another year, month, or any date you want. As you can see, 19 members have registered within December 1st, 2024 to January 31st, 2025. Then you can sort by using payment method like credit cards and other payment method as well. You can also sort using the age criteria. You can see there are only 4 members who are below 18. So in this way, you can easily sort members with different criterias in our membership management system. Thank you so much for being with us.